Okay, now that we've showed how to create um, folders and to build your library in Edmodo, we're going to go back to show you how you use your library to create assignments or tests or quizzes or posts or whatever you want to accomplish on the home page. So we're going to go back to the home page by clicking on the home icon. As you can see in my 1A Honors U.S. History class, we have a bunch of posts that I've delivered to either just 1A or all my honors classes, depending on how you want to do that. If you want a lot of collaboration between different classes, that's the way you would post it, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. If you want just your class, this specific class, to view it, then there's a little bit of different way that you would do that. So let me show you just some examples of what can be posted. I've got assignments. I've got questions, remarks, bell ringers, links to other helpful websites. You know, we do a lot of bell ringers where I add pictures from the library. Here's an example here of a bell ringer we did a couple weeks ago about a photo of Ellis Island. And if I click on the photo, it actually makes it bigger, and you can zoom in on it, and the kids can look at it, and then you can pose your question off of that. That's all stuff you can do by building stuff through your library. So let's go up here, and I'll show you. If you're gonna create a post or a note, you can do that by hitting note, and then down here is where you can add attachments to your note. So let's say you want to put together a did you know assignment, and then did you know, and we want to link it to some question or whatever. I'm just using this as an example. So you can go to your library, and all that stuff that you've filed away in your library, you can link and attach it directly from either a folder over here, so we can go to a specific folder if we'd like, the Roaring Twenties, and we can grab something out of there and attach it if we wanted to. The other thing that I forgot to talk about on the last little post was that you can actually link everything to your Google Docs too if you have a Google account, which is nice. So that's the way you do that. You could link stuff into there, and then you're going to build your post. And like I said earlier, you can either send that to just one class, or if you wanted to go to all your classes, you could type in your other classes and connect them to the post as well. So that's how you build and use your library to build posts. Let me go into how to build an assignment real quick. This will be really easy. So if you want your students to turn in an assignment directly to Edmodo with a digital copy rather than actually handing a paper to you, this is where you would do that. And building this assignment would look like just down below here where I've got Roaring Twenties PowerPoint assignment. The students will see this as where they can turn it in, and then you can attach any of the documents that you'd like from your library or from a file from your computer, or however you want to do that. You can link to another website they can use. You could do all three. It doesn't matter. So let's just go through, and I'll kind of show you how I would create something like this. So let's go Roaring Twenties PowerPoint assignment. Okay. Or if you've already developed the assignment before, like if you've already developed this assignment, you can just load it. And then you would type in your description that you would want in here, you know, open the attachment below, blah, 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 dot, 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 right? And then you would put the date that you want it due. So let's say we're going to give them until next Wednesday. So you click on that. Now here's how you load stuff from your Edmodo library. If you've already developed the Word document, you want to click on Library, go into your folder. So this would be in the Roaring Twenties folder. And then you can pull that document right out of there and attach it to the assignment itself. And that's the way you would do that. And then you'd hit post and send it, and then it's going to show up a lot like the Roaring Twenties PowerPoint here at the bottom assignment.